The key ring for all your keys.
Oh,
Animal crackers.
those are good.
And raisins. You got snacks. Mm-hmm. You got a bucket.
That's
A pail to carry things around in.
And Zoe.
That's handy. So.
Hey Zoe, look. What is this?
Yeah. She puts this round yellow thing on.
Is that your very own glow box? It is.
Oh, you
What
got
is
a
it?
phone.
Oh my goodness.
Hey Zoe, what's this?
You might need some help, Daddy.
Okay.
Oh, what is that?
Oh, finger paints. You love to finger
Oh,
paint.
that'd be fun. She's done
And what's this one?
before,
Hey
isn't
Zoe.
she?
What is this? Jack, that's not for you.
Paint, that little thing with paints on it.
So it's farm animal sounds.